Hi viewers, today we will see how to set up title tag and description tag for homepage for PrestaShop. So let's see. First, going to your control panel with your user and password, then you see as like a skin, and you see left side and scroll down and find out parameter shops section, and if you see, you can see traffic and SEO option. Then click here and you will see as like a skin, and scroll down and find out index page. When you find out index page, then click edits icon and you can see this option in your website. Then you select index here and you write here your page title, means for your home page title you write here, and you write here your meta description, right here, and you can also write here your keyword. It is very important for your SEO, so you can write in here your keyword by which you can rank in different search engine. Then you don't need more else. Just when you complete your write page title and meta description and keyword, then you see save and click here. Okay, your for your home page you already set up your title and meta description. It is very important for your SEO. Thank you so much. Feel free to share to others.